Hello, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a common rear camera fault on an XF Jaguar. This happens to be an 2012, but they're pretty much the same. First of all, you've got to lift the boot, obviously. The camera is there. This is your rear camera, so you'll know if you've got one fitted, if you're worried about it. All you get is, when you put it in reverse, you get a black screen. So we need to get this repaired. So first of all, it's usually the cable, this cable. You've got a coaxial cable in there, which I'll show you afterwards, which generally breaks here. So I'm going to fit that. The easiest way to fit that is you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of these plastic securing screws. You take these out, it's a Phillips screwdriver, undo them very, very carefully, not too much pressure on there, otherwise you'll keep them pressed in. And you get these out, I've already undone them. You take them out, put them down, like so. I've already done this because you don't really want to watch me spending 20 minutes getting those off. And then these pop out. So that case comes out. This one comes out. That's all of those. I'm going to take that out, move that side. The actual cable we're talking about is here. So basically you've got to disconnect this one. Okay, this is the coaxial plug. What you do is you press the end there down. So all you do, press the end there down, that comes out. Don't worry about this bit, it's pressing that piece there. Okay, that's out. You do the same down here. You take your clip out of there and you just pull this down. You only have to pull it down, and you can't really see it, but you've got the same cable here which I pulled out, exactly the same connection as that one. So you just press that piece there. Okay, so you don't want to damage it. Right, you've got to undo this connection, which you just press down there and it comes out, and that can pop off there. Like so. And this can pull out. Remember, there's an arrow on here. If you can see an arrow, points at this, goes upwards, and you've got an arrow on here. Oh, you can't see it, but you'll see it when you're doing it. That's pointing downwards. So we take that out. We take that out. Now all we've got to do is disconnect the electric plug inside here. Which is here. I don't know if you can see that, can you? Can you see it? Oops. Okay. Let me mush. Now you thread that piece through. Like so. And you thread this piece through. Like so, and that's your cable out. So these are your electrical connections, and this is your coaxial cable. And it's usually the coaxial cable that breaks. That's a common fault with them. And what you do, these are about £60 from Jaguar, replacement loom, which we'll just have a check before we replace it, make sure it's the same. Okay. Yep, set the same. That's fine. And then all you do then is, one goes in there. Thread that back in there. Get the grommet back in. Push the grommet back in so it fits in nice and sealed. Not any water getting around that. Then we thread this through the top into the boot lid, which is quite easy to do. And that one will fit in. Like so, and you've already got the connector there that you push in there. Then you can thread this back in, connect up your purple to purple. I should do it down there. Push that back in, so that's fitted, and then we do the same down here. Anyone can you get inside there? I'll get the torch. Now you can see it easy. So that plugs back in underneath, like so. And then you plug your coaxial cable in. Like so. Now what we'll do is we'll check that works. Okay, now we'll check and see if we've got the reversing camera on the screen. I'll put it in reverse. There we are. Working perfectly. Off. On. And that is the most common fault on the Jaguar XF, is the cable. The coaxial cable snaps. You could probably replace the coaxial cable itself a lot cheaper, but it's up to you if you want that work. It's just as easy to buy for £60, just buy the whole thing and you know you've got the right thing. So I will just show you how to put it all back together again, and then that's the video finished. This is the most common fault, by the way. It's not always the fault, it's the most common fault. You know, you could have a problem with your camera, you could have a problem with another wiring loom or whatever else, but this is the most common fault to fix your camera. Okay, now we'll put this cover back on, which you just push the connectors in, and with the plastic screws you can just push those in, and it's finished. Let's get this one out. This, by the way, just clips in as well. That just goes back in. That clips over. Get these in. There we go. There we go. say, there's 11 of these. I won't put them all in, and we've got one goes up here to fit in here. And that's it. That's it.